WITSON.
About this product, we use black color box to pack. Inside the package, we use EPE and air cooling bag to protect our product. The accessory. Let's first take a look at the accessories. Power cable, cable for aux input, output, and others. GPS antenna. Microphone. USB cable. And some accessories. User manual. The product. Here are all the things in the package. About this product, here are some function buttons here like navigation, radio, and here is DSP function. You can change directly here. Then let's enter settings. About machine to check the configuration. The model is PS5, the Android version is 10.0, and other informations here like CPU, memory, and others. Here is navigation, radio. Click here to search for radio station or search for radio station manually. Then you can long press to save the radio station. Music. Video. Bluetooth. Here you can change the device name and password directly, and you can connect your mobile phone Bluetooth with this machine. Then you can download the telephone directory of your mobile phone, and you can listen to the music of your mobile phone. Here is Bluetooth music. And here are other applications here like Google, Google Play Store, YouTube, and others. Enter the settings, here system, you can change languages here. And here network and internet, you can connect to the Wi-Fi. There are more settings here, you can check here. About our products,
HYUNDAI WITSON Industrial Company Limited, established in 2003, have over 17 years, plenty of experience about car DVD GPS products. Our products mainly include all-in-one special OEM series, vertical Tesla series, universal big screen plus various frame series, and Audi, BMW, Mercedes-Benz Big Screen Series. For same car type, we can supply different price lever hardware and UI design in order to meet different market demand. WITSON hires faithful professional engineers and marketing sales engaged in car multimedia products over 10 years, developing 5 to 8 new models per month, and can supply over 1,500 different models for different car brand. All our products will have fully QC checking work before shipment. The factory has highly automated production equipment and 100,000 grade standard dust-free workshop, which covers area of 4,000 square meter. Efficient productivity ensures many high-quality and reliable products in short time. We understand time is money under today's increasingly competitive environment, so we keep average 2,000 pieces different models stock monthly to bring our customers with fast and short delivery time to win more market opportunity. Mostly important, we have our European warehouse stock for some hot sales models to supply our EU customers with fast and tax-free shipping way. WITSON accept different business cooperation way, like OEM, ODM, dropship. We trust we could support you increasing the business by our professional experience, various newly developed products, plenty of stock, and one-stop shop service. Join with WITSON and we growth together.
Welcome to WITSON! WITSON, better than expected!
WITSON